Hey, good morning, Nevin. I was about to pack up your sabers and realized I had forgot to do a demo video for your Corran horn. So as you know, I got this done yesterday, and it came out sweet, man. So want to just run it by you real quick. I gave you an upgrade to Shtok NPXLs in here. We'll open it up at the handle. Now with the handle, I did JB weld in your pummel cap right here, so that's good to go. It's all nice and flush. It doesn't interfere with your speaker. You had a 20mm speaker in here. Actually, it was able to hold a 24mm, so I upgraded your speaker as well. I gave you a resin chassis. I don't know if it's going to pick up good in the light here with this gray, but it does say Space Junk Sabers on one side and then Solo Sabers on the other. You've got access to your board there if you need it. The board is not glued down, it's just a tight press fit. I mean, it's a super tight press fit, so that thing's not coming out unless you really want it to. And that was done like that on purpose. So you do have a removable battery, so the spring side is going to be your negative, just like the other one. Or I'm sorry, the other one had a recharge port, but spring side is your negative on this guy, right? Activation I kept right here, and then I inserted the brass switch that you sent with this guy into a tactile so you could hear it. That's your auxiliary right there. So let's throw a battery in it. These resin chassis always have a nice tight fit. Fits in there good. It's not going anywhere on you. This slides right over everything. Screws right into place. You do have gesture controls, so if you wanted to. Auxiliary. Twist off. Now this is your blade retention screw right here. It is pretty close to the PCB. I don't know if maybe you'll want to change that, or I almost put a set screw up here in the hole, but I did not want to mess with the aesthetics of the saber since you made it. I will let you decide what you want to do. For testing purposes though, this the blade retention will work. So we're just going to put it in there and lock it down, just like that. Turn it on. Flash on flash. Auxiliary. And then we can turn it off with a button. Change our sound fonts. As you can see, everything's working really well on this guy. We'll go ahead and turn that off. So you got everything on here that you had on before. I did add the motion controls with an upgraded chassis, Shtok NPXL, and a bigger speaker, and your auxiliary switch. So hopefully this came out the way you like. We're just gonna pop this battery out, positive side first, boom, and there you go. So everything's working really well on this guy. Thanks, man.